how to make a tree brush in Infinite Painter. For this, you have to open your Google application in your mobiles. Write black pine tree image and search it. Scroll down and click on any tree image. The image you want, click on that and download the image. Now open your Infinite Painter in your mobiles or tablet. After opening the Infinite Painter, click on the brush icon and select the folder Sprayers. Now scroll down and then you have to select on the hard air brush. Then click on the brush editor icon and click the double line in the right corner. And then click the head. Then select any image. Select the image that you have downloaded. For this, you have to click on the plus button and click on the gallery and select any image that you have downloaded from the Google. So I will select the pine tree brush. Select it. Now click on the head and then increase the flow to 100% and increase the spacing to 100%. Then you have to select on the stroke and then increase the size to 100%. Click on the right button and then you will see that pine tree brush is ready to use. Now use it in your drawings and you can use it in your own way and see how smooth it is running. So you can use it in your drawings, and this is more quick and easiest methods to draw a pine tree. And you can reset your brush setting. Click on the three dot and click on the reset and then click OK. So your brush setting will be reset. If you want to make another tree brush, so again you have to select hard air brush and click on the head and then select image. Now you will select the image other than the pine tree if you want to make another tree brush. So you have to select any tree image other than pine image, and I will select the tree branch without leaves. Click on the image and then click on the head. Again you have to increase the flow to 100% and you have to increase the spacing, and then you have to again click on the stroke and increase the size. Now you can change its color. I will select the brown color and now I have drawn the branch tree, and this is not looking as much perfect, so I will make leaves. So I will choose the green color and click on the brush icon, select the folder Legacy, and then I will select the brush black brush, and now I will draw leaves. If you want to unlock the trial of Infinite Painter for free, or you want to know the use of tools, then watch my videos. Also watch the videos of drawing with easy methods, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much.